Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create your very own Epic Games account, step by step. Whether you're trying to jump into Fortnite, Rocket League, or any other Epic title, you'll need an account to get started. So make sure to watch till the end because I'll walk you through everything clearly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open up any web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whichever you prefer. Now, type Epic Games into Google and click on the official website, which is store.epicgames.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Even if you don't have an account yet, click it anyway. You'll see an option that says Sign Up or Create Account. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll need to fill out a few details. Start by entering your date of birth and selecting your country or region. Then, type in your email address, first name, and last name. Choose a display name. This is the name other players will see in games like Fortnite, so make it something cool and unique. After that, create a strong password, check the box to accept the terms of service, and then click Continue. Epic Games may ask you to complete a quick CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Once that's done, open your email inbox and look for a verification email from Epic Games. Enter the code they send and boom, your account is ready to go. You can now log in anytime to download games, manage your library, and connect with friends through the Epic Games launcher. And that's it. You've successfully created your Epic Games account. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more quick tech how-tos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.